How often should HVAC systems be replaced? This is a question many homeowners in Tucson, Arizona ask when their air conditioner or furnace starts showing signs of age. Most HVAC systems need to be replaced every 10 to 25 years, depending on the type of equipment and how well it has been maintained. Air conditioners and heat pumps typically last 10 to 15 years, while furnaces can last 15 to 20 years or longer with proper care. In hotter climates, cooling systems often fall toward the lower end of that range due to heavy use. In Tucson, Arizona, long summer seasons and extreme heat place constant strain on AC systems. Units that run daily for extended periods experience faster wear on compressors and electrical components. If your system is over 10 years old and requiring frequent repairs, it may be time to evaluate replacement before a major breakdown occurs. If your HVAC system is aging or struggling to keep up, contact A1 Air Conditioning and Heating today to schedule a professional system evaluation and determine whether replacement is the right next step for your Tucson, Arizona home.